Hey y'all. Well, it's a Sunday afternoon. After church, I went home, cut a little bit of grass, got that done, and I thought it's such a beautiful day. I need to get out and go do something. So, but anyway, I'm here at Colin Panther Lake in my van, and yeah, so I was going to show you a couple of things that I bought. I thought I had bought those fairy lights off of Amazon. Apparently, I didn't do that. But, and I was so excited about seeing them. So I'm going to order them when I get home. But, anyway, I was going to show you a couple of things that I bought. And I also, I think I'm going to go fishing. And then I'm going to go up here to one of the campsites. And I just want to see if my tablecloth fits, my new tablecloth fits the table up there. So I just want to see. Like I said in the last video, I told y'all we would be going camping really soon. So, in the next week. And so I just wanted to, I just want to be down here and I just want to be hanging out. So, but yeah, let's look at seeing what I bought, okay? Okay, I bought this for the dash of my van. It was hard to find something, but everything is, you know, sticky. I don't want anything sticky sitting on the dash. So I bought this, and it actually, it's just weighted, and it's heavy, and the bottom of it does not slide very well. You know, it won't slide off the dash. Something else I figured out too, y'all, on my way down here. Since I rearranged my van, I figured out this thing went tumbling over. So, this is not how I will be utilizing my van. This will not be sitting here. Or maybe it will, but I kind of doubt it. But, I had to put something over the drawers to keep them flying out. And then I had to bungee cord the back of it to this little handle right here to keep it from falling over. So, yeah, did learn that. It's an experience. Okay, and another thing that I bought is this right here. It's a Turkish bath towel or beach towel, whatever you want to call it. It's thin so that but it's made of full cotton. So, I mean, when you're in the shower, when you get out of the shower, it soaks up water quickly, but it dries really, really fast too. So, this is something new that I just bought. I don't guess you'd call it a gadget, but yeah, this is new. And, just from, people and their recommendations, I really do appreciate it. It's been, this is one of the things that was recommended to me. So, and look, there's my little basket and it's full of bungee cords. I'm so proud of that. I think that's going to end up being one of my favorite things right there because I think I can bungee cord everything down practically. So, anyway, yep, this is it. I'm going to get out. The lake is beautiful. Let's get out and go look at the lake. I just want y'all to see how beautiful this place is. The wind is blowing, so I don't know how much fishing can get done, but I see a man and his son over there fishing. They're enjoying their day. This is a boat waiting to get loaded up. But yeah, look how beautiful. I think I'm gonna go out here and cast a few times and just see. I really think it's gonna be too windy, but because it really is windy. But it won't hurt, Get over here and let's just try and see what we can come up with. It is just an absolutely beautiful day. This is a good time of year for me. people just coming down here to spend the day. Yeah, this go around, I just used a beetle spin. Not having a whole lot of luck, but that's okay. I enjoyed fishing while I could. I want to go up here to the campsites, and let's go check that out because I want to set up I've got a new tablecloth, and I just want to set it up and make sure that it works on the standard camping tables. This is where you put in your kayaks. These guys down here are fishing right here in this little inlet. But yeah, it has its own little sidewalk. The sign right here says that you've got to have a boat launching and fishing permit. Okay, I'm gonna get my tablecloth out. We're gonna see if it works. Well, it looks like this table is too long. Woo! I'll have to check and see what size I got, but at least I tried. Hopefully, that looks like about an 8 foot, doesn't it? I don't know. We'll find out. So you live and you learn. So anyway, it was worth a try, you know. Kind of embarrassing. Let's go back down here to the lake and let's just see if we can get one of these picnic tables. See if it'll work on one of these picnics. Okay, I found another table and it looks like it's shorter. We're gonna try that and see if it fits. Make me feel a whole lot better if it did. Well, and there you have it. That was my day. It was really a nice afternoon. It really was. And I talked to a couple of guys that were coming in, and they just said they just didn't catch anything. But the wind blowing the way it is, I'm no expert on fishing, but my papa always told me that if the wind was blowing, the fish were going to be hard to catch. So I don't know. But anyway, nobody coming out of this lake today had a whole lot of luck. But anyway, it was a beautiful day and a beautiful afternoon. And y'all keep watching, and I'll see you in my next video.